They're very strong on communication. They listen, which is very important. They are very responsive. So they look after you very well. And they're highly skilled. They do a very good job. My name is Darren MacDonald and I'm the Chief Technology Officer with CameraMatics. And we provide safety and compliance solution for commercial vehicle fleets. We needed a combination of app development expertise for both iOS and Android, and we also needed back-end development expertise in .NET. I was looking for an outsourced developer that had an office in Ireland to keep the communication on the same time zone and a team that was dedicated to our project. Engaging with HST, we were able to get this new capability, new functionality in our product to market quicker. It allows us to implement new features, to be flexible in terms of what we're adding to our solution. So it's really just helped, first of all, to augment the product, but then also to accelerate the development processes. A lot of other outsourced companies, there's a middle person, if you like, who gets in the way of the communication. So what was great about HST was that we have a dedicated team. We can talk to the developers directly. So if there's any issues or bugs that we need to resolve in the code, we have that direct interaction with the developers, and that actually saves a huge amount of time in terms of actually getting to the final kind of releasable product. HST offer a number of engagement models, which is great because you can actually choose the model that works best for your requirements. If you're looking for somebody to write best-in-class applications with the back-end support for those applications, I'd heartily recommend HST.